Right, so now what I'm going to do also is that fourth thing on their checklist at the top is sync it with your calendar. To get started, appointments will be instantly added to your Google Calendar. Optionally, have events in Google Calendar block off time. So what you want is, if you book a meeting on your Google Calendar or somebody sends you a meeting that's on the calendar, you want to block off your time automatically in Acuity to say I'm not available, right? So you can do it with a few different types. Let me do it in my Google. Um, I will log in to my Google, and it's going to sync whichever one you want it to go to, right? Appointments for on Facebook. Oh, because that's set up at the minute. Um, Google Calendar, yeah. So let's just go contacts read only. Oh, I must have changed my settings. Um, let's just go appointments on Facebook here, right? Book off time, acuity, calendar, select a calendar. I'm not sure exactly how to do this. You want to do a proper, you want to do a proper video for this one to do it. I just want to show you that it does it, and it's going to save, and anything that's booked in there, which I don't think I've got anything on that, it's going to sync the times together, and it's going to say these are the times you are blocked off, and you are sorted, right? So I didn't really make sense of that much, but if there was any time booked into my Google Calendar, it would now be blocking off time within here, right? And you'll notice within the grey bits is when you're not available anyway. So you've blocked this off by setting up your schedule. So you can see when you're free, and you can see what you can do, right? And you can jump in and block your own time off. So that wasn't a great explanation, but I think you understand the sync your calendar, but look for a better tutorial on how to do that.